You guys want to go outside? She jumped right over Francis. That's kind of cool. That was polite. Yeah, it was. Good girl. Hey! Hey! That's right, sir. You don't have to take that from her. Hey, come on. Sissy, behave yourself. Behave. You're full of yourself this afternoon. I see the UPS truck going around in a circle. I wonder if he stopped at my house first. He didn't ring the doorbell, so I guess not. Come on, guys. You want to go back in already? You just got out here.